What are we doing now, Mom?
We are making smash burgers. Remember that time we made smash tacos? We're gonna make smash burgers this time. I am recently obsessed. I can't stop.
Good.
Tim and I buy this all the time.
Okay.
It is the best.
The ground beef.
Yeah, and the steaks, but we love the ground beef for burgers. It's really easy because this is high quality grass-fed beef.
Yeah.
You don't need to do anything.
Nothing.
Can you hear me okay? Because he's making a lot of noise. No. As I was saying.
What? You're yelling now. We're smashing. Look at that.
Very well marbled.
Are you putting an egg in your burger?
I'm not.
Are you putting breadcrumbs in your burger?
No.
Oh.
You don't need to.
No?
That's what a smash patty is.
Oh. I don't like when you make a burger and it becomes like a quarter of the size when you're done. Like I want the burger to hold its shape.
This did when we made big burgers on the barbecue.
Love
this
it.
did.
Love it.
How much do you think is 4 ounces? I think that would be 4 ounces.
Let's see.
I could be wrong, but I think I might be right.
3 ounces.
3. I was so close.
But you weren't. You were 25% off.
Do I look cute? Just kidding.
Are you talking to yourself?
Yes. To the camera. What's it called when you break the
Fourth wall.
fourth wall? You gotta really smash. See how it's like getting bigger? This is not working.
What's happening?
I need a different spatula. Yeah. It's giving peanut butter cookie. It's not supposed to give that.
Are you asking me for help right now?
Somebody. Aren't you my co-host? Did we already do smash burgers?
We did smash tacos.
Right. They're not supposed to be pretty. Salt it up.
Do you want me to butter and toast the buns?
Sure.
Okay. How many pickles you want?
A pickle for everybody.
Well, we only got 2 pickles.
Delicious. Juicy.
Those are done?
Yeah.
You got your cheese ready? Hold on, you didn't cheese them up?
Ah, you have to cheese them.
You forgot to cheese them,
You have to cheese them.
but you can't take them off without cheesing them.
Okay, boom, bring the bag. I can't do anything alone. Melty, melty. Salt and peppered, Eric.
You didn't salt and pepper them either?
No, I did.
Okay, let's go, let's eat. All right, Mal.
Okay.
That was
I
good.
was gonna make sauce, but you said no.
So that's it?
That's it.
You did everything at the grill. You
Yeah.
salt and peppered it.
I salt and peppered it.
What do you put on your burger?
Pickles. I would put a little bit of shredded lettuce if we had it, but you don't like iceberg lettuce.
I do not. I like cutting my burger in half.
I like that too.
Oh, this looks good.
Okay, let's see. I like the cross center and cut, like, you know. Oh no.
What happened? You upside downed it?
Oh no.
I have a double top burger.
That's nice.
You're gonna have the double bottom?
Yeah.
Nobody wants a double bottom.
I'll do it.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Well, you cooked it perfectly.
Right? Whoa, show yours. That was good.
Good job, buddy. Good
Oh
job.
God, I'm saucy.
Leave me hanging. Come on. That is really good ground beef.
That's what I'm saying. Buy quality, you have to do less.
Much less.
Even with the double bottom.
I'm double topping. I'm wasting the bottoms. I'm gonna get an 8-pack of burger buns, and I'm just gonna throw the bottoms out. And I'm gonna make them all the tops.